morning students. In previous video we have learnt about rural, urban and tribal. Today we shall learn about new words, short notes, fill in the blanks, true or false, name the following, match the following and answer the following question. Now first of all new words. First one is community. Students, what is community? Group of people living in a specific area is called community. Second one rural. Rural andreno halli. Third one urban. Urban means city. Fourth one tribal. Tribal means people who live in forest. Occupation. Occupation means vritti, job. Fifth one recognize. Recognize means identify. Environment means parisara. Population, janasankhya. Agriculture. Agriculture means vyavasaya. Cultivation, farming. Poultry. Poultry means rearing the domestic animals. Next, fishery. Fishery means catching fish. Next, weaving. Weaving means knitting the thread or making the clothes. Next, blacksmithing. Blacksmithing means kamara. Next, weaving. Weaving means knitting the thread or making the clothes. Next, blacksmithing. Blacksmithing means kamara who works with iron. Next, electricity. Electricity means energy generated by wind, water. Manufacturing. Manufacturing means creating the things. Profession. Profession means career or skilled labor. Next, entertain. Entertain means manaranjane. Next, carpentry. Carpentry means works with wood. Employment, who works for the salary. Education. Education means getting knowledge. Government. Government means sarkara. Engaged means busy. Pollution. Pollution means impurity. Garbage means dust, dirty or wastage. Cooperate. Cooperate means what? Working together. Friendship. Friendship means very close to one and another. Forest means jungle. Language means bhashegalu. Residence, living or well. Next, electricity. Electricity means energy generated by wind, water. Manufacturing, creating the things. Profession, career or skilled labor. Entertain. What is the meaning of entertain? Manaranjane. Floods. Floods means full of water or overflow of water from the river. Next, droughts. Droughts means baragala, no rain or water. Earthquake. Earthquake means the earth shakes. In Kannada, bhukampa. Earthquake means bhukampa. Next, write short notes on. First one, urban community. Urban community means people migrate to cities in search of jobs and for betterment, education. For better education, people migrate to cities in search of jobs. People in cities are engaged in different occupation. Next, tribal community. Tribal community means families living in a dense forest or hilly areas. That is tribal community. The living condition, language, dress and marriage system of the tribal are distinct. In Karnataka, Soligas of Mysore district, Koragas of Dakshina Kannada, Jainu Kurbas and Yarvas of Kodugu district are the tribal communities. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, group of people living in a specific area is called a community. Second, in India, 72% of total population live in villages. Total population is 72%. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyana, to give quality education. Nirmala Grama Yojana, for the cleanliness of village. For cleaning of village, Nirmala Grama Yojana. Bhagya Lakshmi Yojana, it is for betterment, better future of girls. Bhagya Lakshmi Yojana for the better future of girls. India has nearly 5,000 cities. How many? 5,000. Next, we should respect each and every job or occupation. Next, every occupation has its own value. Is it not, children? And we should respect everyone. Next, when somebody in the community is in trouble, others will help them. Right. Every person is a part of a community. Next, true or false? Community of like-minded people come together to exchange their ideas and opinions. It's true. We should think, then we can buy anything easily by paying money. False. Because if it is necessary, we should purchase it. Third one, agricultural activities. Agricultural activities are totally dependent on rain. Right. Next come multiple choice. Man is a social being. Isn't right? So, man is a dash social being. Second one, according to government, any child between band 14 years is provided compulsions of dash. Answer is education. The program aims at the universalization of quality primary education, that is Sarva Shiksha Abhiyana. The country cannot progress unless villages progress set by dash. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. People's life is a gamble with dash, that is rain. Right. There are nearly towns dash in India. How many? 5,000. There are 5,000 towns in India. Next, match the following. First one, Soli gas. It is in Mysuru. Koragas, Dakshina Kannada. Jedu Kurbas, Kodagu. Tribal community, hilly area. Towns in India, 5,000. Next, name the following. Students, how many types of communities are there? There are 3 types. The 3 types of communities: rural, urban, tribal. Villages have problems related to hygiene and education. Occupation found in villages, that is agriculture. What is community? Group of people living in a specific area is called a community. Write the various occupations found in villages. Agriculture, poultry and sheep rearing are the various occupations found in villages. What is tribal community? Families living in a dense forest or hilly areas are called tribal community. What pollution you found or find in urban community? Air, water, sound pollution is found in urban community. What are occupation of urban community? Shopkeeper, traders, doctor, banking, factories, hostels are the occupation of urban community. What are the features of a community? The features of community are: in a community, people help each other. They appreciate the dignity of labor. People are interdependent on each other for many things. Now next, name the activities which belong to agricultural and non-agricultural activities. First of all, agricultural activities: farming, poultry, fishery, sericulture. Non-agricultural activities: blacksmith, potters, barber, cobbler and tailor. What are the problems faced by people in cities? The problems faced by people in cities are housing problem, pollution in industrial areas, disposal of garbage, slum areas, water pollution. Last one, fourth one, what are the serious problems of urban population? The serious problems of urban populations are social problems in urban area are increasing immensely. Scarcity of electricity and drinking water problems.